Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here. So April is exciting. It's exciting too because we're all at home. We want some excitement. We want something to do, and people are ordering Epicure because we are starting to realize more than ever, well, we need food and we might not want to go out. I mean, we still have to buy the things like chicken, meats, lettuces, things like that. But for other things like herbs, seasonings, spices, mixes, we can have that ordered in, which is great. And April, so this is exciting. So we have this new tea. We have never had this tea. If you have not had an Epicure tea yet, definitely try them because they all taste so good. They're so much healthier than any teas you can get in the store. Always pay attention to labels of your teas, even if it says like natural or organic. Look at the label, look at the ingredients. There's all kinds of stuff in there that are not natural and not organic. Even if they're in small amounts, be careful. These teas are always amazing, and there's nothing like artificial in there, so you will love them. Definitely try this. This is our customer special for Canada, only $14, and I believe you get 20 tea bags, so it's really good. I would probably have this like a cold tea, but you could definitely have it as a hot tea as well. Let me just stop sharing my screen. I wanted to pull up the other April special here. We have a host special, you guys. This host special has been so popular already. I don't think people realize it's a host special because everybody wants to order it. Sorry, it's kind of small. Can I zoom in for you guys? This happens to me all the time. Oh no, this is an image, so I can't. But we are selling knives. So again, this is for Canada. It is only $40 on sale, usually $80. This is a host special only, meaning if you are a host, then you can have this. So what it is, if you want to be a host, all you do, and since we're doing everything online now, is all you do is get four different people who want to order. No order is too big or too small, but as long as all of those orders equal to $250, you are a host of an event. So then you can have this whole set for only $40. So definitely, if you want this, just ask people. Ask your mom, dad, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, neighbors, if they want anything from Epicure. We have a catalog online, make it super easy, and you can have these for $40 only, normally $80. So have a look, you guys. This is awesome. I'm going to do another video shortly showing you guys the April specials for the US because they're pretty awesome too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.